In today's video, I'm going to teach you slow the audio. We'll take a regular audio clip, slow it down for a more dramatic feel, then add a tasteful reverb to give it space and depth. I'll guide you through each move, explain what the controls do, and share a few tips so you can dial in a sound that feels intentional and polished. Start by finding your clip in the timeline and right-clicking it. From the menu that appears, choose Speed Up Duration. This opens a small window where you can control how fast or slow your clip plays. Change the speed to something like 80%. That means the audio will play back a bit slower than normal, stretching it to create a deeper, more relaxed tone. As you listen, notice how slowing the clip slightly can add weight and emotion without making it sound too distorted. If it feels too sluggish or muddy, nudge the percentage closer to 100 until it sits right for your project. Next, let's add reverb to place that slowed audio in a believable space. Go to the Effects panel, then navigate to Audio Effects, open Reverb, and find Studio Reverb. Drag Studio Reverb directly onto your clip in the timeline. You won't hear much yet because we still need to shape the effect, so it enhances the sound rather than overwhelming it. Open the Effect Controls panel with your clip selected, find Studio Reverb there, and look for the decay and mix controls. Set the decay to a longer value, somewhere between 2 and 5 seconds. Decay controls how long the reverb tail lingers after each word or note. A longer decay creates a richer, more atmospheric trail. For subtle ambience, stay closer to 2 seconds. For cinematic, spacious vibes, push toward 5 seconds, but keep an ear out for muddiness. Now set the mix around 30 to 50%. Mix blends your original audio with the reverberated signal. Around 30% keeps the voice or instrument forward and clear with just enough space around it. Moving toward 50% will make the reverb more present and dramatic. The key is balance. You want to feel the space without losing the clarity of the performance. As you listen back, focus on intelligibility and tone. If the reverb washes over important details, pull the mix down slightly or shorten the decay. If it feels too dry, ease the mix up a touch. With these adjustments, you've slowed your audio and added reverb